Here you go. Funny it feels when it's raining. Every time I think of you, I'm just wondering when you're all alone, thinking of me, thinking of you. I'm just here playing solitude with my guitar, without wind, breathe by far. Just tell me why you came into my life, with the sunshine in your eyes. The thought of you, the smile you fill my heart, I can't deny. You're the sunshine in my life. I don't even understand what's going on, while the whole world is so blue. All the little things we had were fun and sad, so it's time to sing in the blues. The thought of you, the smile you fill my heart, I can't deny. You're the sunshine in my life. Every time you smile, you keep me smiling too. But if you frown, tomorrow's gone away. I don't wanna end this moment right here with you, 'cause tomorrow will find its way. Right, here we go, KoyKoy in the strings, everybody. The thought of you, the smile you fill my heart, I can't deny. You're the sunshine in my life. Every time you smile, you keep me smiling too. But if you frown, tomorrow's gone away. This moment right here with you, 'cause tomorrow will find its way. Do-do-do-do. once again, that was an original composition by KoyKoy. All the little things we had.